Hi everyone, I am Daphne Franco from EBC Florida Bureau. Since we have been enjoying the hot summer here in Florida, today I am here to teach you how to make a mango ice cream, just to refresh your hot summer.
Now let's get ready the ingredients that we are going to use. 3 big ripe mangoes, 2 liters of water, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food color, 1½ cup of sugar, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of condensed milk. First thing we need to do is to boil your 2 liters of water. While we are boiling the water, let's blend the ripe mangoes together and make sure to save a half for your tidbits later. Now, add your 1/2 can of evaporated milk and blend it until it becomes smooth. After blending, set aside it for later. Now, we are about to put all the ingredients in the boiling water. First, put your 1½ cup of sugar and make sure to dissolve it very well. You can also adjust the sugar that you want to put. Next, add your 1 can of condensed milk. Next, add also the 1/2 can of evaporated milk left. Add your blended mango. You can also put mango tidbits if you want. And lastly, add your optional 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food color and let it boil with low heat. Now get the 1 cup of cornstarch and put 1 cup water in it. Dissolve it and make sure there's no lumps. After dissolving the cornstarch, add it to the boiling mixture, stir, and mix it well. Make sure it's on low heat. After boiling in 3 minutes, let it now cool. Next step, you need to have a funnel, a measuring cup, and especially your ice candy plastic bag. Make sure that you don't put too much inside the plastic bag so you can still lock the plastic. I finished making 28 pieces of mango ice candy and let it now freeze. And now you can enjoy your mango ice candy. really perfect for the hot summer season.
In Pensacola, Florida, Kid Daphne Franco, we live in interesting times.
We hope you enjoyed that video. If you found it valuable, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel. If you're on Instagram, please follow us at EBC Digital Nest. If you're on Facebook, please pay our page a visit and like it. Here at Digital Nest, we continue to make healthy connections with those who desire to grow and with those who aspire to be inspired. We'll see you next time.